Cincinnati are migrating to a modern user experience, extending the life of legacy assets while enabling a richer TV experience. Cincinnati Bell and its predecessor companies have provided telephone services to millions of subscribers in the greater Cincinnati area since 1873. Its Fioptics fiber network offers gigabit speeds to over 400,000 subscribers in the company's service area. So what was their challenge? CBT's Fioptics fiber network service offering was being powered by a ZTE end-to-end IPTV service. The solution incorporated middleware developed by ZTE and tailored to CBT's specific feature requirements, Varimatrix ViewWrite DRM, whole home DVR solutions based on using Mocha for multi-room distribution, fast channel change, error correction by retransmission, and VOD-based ZTE proprietary platforms. ZTE found their middleware roadmap was lagging in competitive features for the North American market, and as a result, decided to migrate to a more mainstream middleware. As a device supplier with more presence and technology suited to, and a device supplier with more presence and technology suited to the North American market. However, they had 80,000 subscribers deployed with more than 240,000 ZTE set-top boxes and DVRs already in that network, and none of these had the relevant middleware offerings to support the ZTE hardware. So what was the solution? Working closely together, Amino and CBT executed a three-step plan. First, Amino ported ZTE middleware to Amino OS. This allowed CBT to halt purchases of the older ZTE hardware design and begin deploying a more capable and future-proof Amino View device. Secondly, Amino ported Amino OS to the ZTE hardware that was deployed. This allowed the 240,000 ZTE set-top boxes in the field to run the CBT new upgraded Minerva 10N middleware. Finally, Amino converted the existing Amino View devices in the network from ZTE to Minerva. So the outcome. In the course of a 6-month migration period, CBT converted its legacy ZTE hardware to Minerva and seamlessly continued to more than double the subscriber base of Amino View devices. This project was conducted in under 6 months, but importantly reduced the CapEx requirement for this project by 80%. Effectively, they moved from a lift and replace model where they were going to have to replace hardware in the field with new devices to being able to upgrade those devices. Incidentally, when those devices were upgraded, it was all done over the air with no truck roll required. So a huge commercial benefit for them. Let's just have a little look at what this little architecture diagram here. So just a reminder is the back end hardware and the front end was all provided by ZTE in an end-to-end basis. The first thing we did was we brought in Amino OS, which helped connect the ZTE hardware to the Minerva backend. This IP brought in a streaming piece, so the IP network, they added streaming to that, and what that enabled was the Minerva multi-screen proposition to be able to deploy it on those ZTE boxes. Bringing in Amino View, our view devices, and Amino OS, we did two things. One is we got them onto a next generation platform that was operating on the same Amino OS iteration. But what we also were able to do was to introduce them to the downstream possibility of deploying Android and the benefits of that.